What's up, everybody? How's it going? I am Steven from preschool. Hope you're all having a great day so far. I woke up and it was a beautiful day outside. The birds are chirping, the sun is shining, so I thought, why don't we make our own bird feeder? Super simple recipe for at-home use. All you need is, I have some cereal, Cheerios. Any type of cereal with a hole in it will work. And I have some raisins, because they're also easy to use for this. Next, you'll want a couple pipe cleaners, or you can use twine, and then some ribbon or twine to hang it from a tree outside afterwards. So, I've just poured in here a bowl of some Cheerios and raisins, and I'm going to get my pipe cleaner, which I've already started working on behind the scenes. And what you'll do is take either your raisin or your Cheerios or whatever it is you're using at home, and you just have to start threading it through the pipe cleaner. The raisins just get poked and then they slide all the way through. And then the Cheerios, so very simply, slide on down. So we're going to want to do this with the whole pipe cleaner. Almost. Leave a little bit of room on each side so that you can tie it off, okay? So this is a great activity to boost fine motor skills and work those little muscles in your preschool hands. A little simpler for adults, which is great for me because it's nice and quick. So we'll just keep threading these Cheerios and raisins through. Parents can also implement math concepts into this kind of activity by making patterns. How many Cheerios am I putting on before I put another raisin on? Maybe 4 Cheerios and then 1 raisin. So there is lots of different applications for learning this activity. We'll put this raisin on next. Perfect. So once one of your pipe cleaners is just about filled up, as I said, leave a little bit of room on each side. And we'll just put this aside for now. And we'll take another pipe cleaner. Magical. It's gonna have some Cheerios on it now. Okay, so for this one I was doing 4 Cheerios and 2 raisins. So after these 4 Cheerios over here, I need 2 more raisins. Slide it all the way through. Perfect. 1 more raisin coming up. Now the raisins might be a bit tricky for preschoolers. That's okay. Plenty of other at-home materials you can use. Birds like lots of different types of food, fortunately. So whatever you put outside, I'm sure it's going to be a hit with some type of bird. Especially in the winter, later on when it gets cold. They're going to be flying south to stay warm. So whatever snacks they find along the way, I'm sure they'll be very happy to get. Next, we get our 2 pipe cleaners, and we're going to want to tie them together. Now you can make them into whatever shape that you choose. I'm going to try and make a heart. We'll see what happens though. Let's see if I can pull it off. So we're just going to twist and turn our pipe cleaner until it turns into 1 pipe cleaner. Put this down here, and now we're going to want to fold the sides. ever so gently at the bottom. Okay. Carefully pin it off so you don't get poked rather, by the sharp part of the pipe cleaner. Okay. So now we have certainly not a heart, but a bird feeder nonetheless. And you know, maybe we can bend it in a certain way to turn it into a heart. Maybe we can do it. Let's see. Well, what do you think? Is it a heart? Almost? I'll take it. Next, our last ingredient, we are going to need something to hang it from a tree. So I am going to use twine. This is the part of the activity that parents will really need to help with, because tying knots can be quite tricky. Okay, pull it off on one end. There we go. And then right beside it, you're going to want to tie off another string. Just like so. You might want to double knot it if it's a windy day. And there we go. Now we can hang that from the tree. And there you have it. A nice bird feeder that I'm going to go put outside for my friendly neighborhood critters to enjoy. Super easy. Great for the hands for building those fine motor skills. Great for giving birds a snack. And you can also, as I mentioned before, even get some math out of this. So, I hope you all can have fun doing this or a similar activity at home, because there's so many different types of ways you can do this. Hope we all have a great day. We'll talk super soon. Bye for now.